Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how sea moss is made. Sea moss, also known as Irish moss, is a type of red algae that grows naturally in the Atlantic and Caribbean oceans. It typically attaches itself to rocks near the coast. People have harvested this marine plant for centuries, valuing it for its unique nutritional profile and versatility. It's a fascinating natural product with many uses. After locating healthy patches, harvesters carefully collect sea moss by hand. They often use small tools to gently detach the algae from rocks, ensuring the plant's base remains intact for regrowth. This sustainable approach is crucial for preserving marine ecosystems and ensuring future harvests. It's a labor-intensive process that respects the ocean's natural balance. Once harvested, the raw sea moss undergoes a thorough cleaning process to remove any sand, debris, or ocean particles. It's then typically soaked in fresh water for several hours, or even overnight, to rehydrate and soften. This soaking also helps to reduce its natural saltiness. Finally, the softened sea moss is blended with water until it reaches a smooth, gel-like consistency, ready for use. Sea moss gel is incredibly versatile. Many people add it to their smoothies, juices, or teas for an extra nutritional boost. It can also be used as a natural thickening agent in soups, stews, and desserts, or even applied topically for skin benefits. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic Owala water bottle and other exclusive deals. It's a simple way to incorporate beneficial nutrients into your daily routine, supporting overall wellness in many creative ways.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.